Do you like sardines? Well, new research found a link between eating small fish and a lower risk of death. The study was published in Public Health Nutrition, and it found that women in Japan who ate small fish 1 to 3 times per month had lower risk of all-cause mortality and reduced odds of dying from cancer compared to those who did not eat small fish regularly. Okay, so this is good news for women, right? But there's a problem. I mean, most people don't like the taste of these small fish like sardines and anchovies because they just have a really strong fishy flavor. So why can't we just eat like salmon? I mean, salmon is great, right? It's a good healthy choice. It's full of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. And research does show that general fish consumption, including salmon, can be great to lower risk of cardiovascular disease, even mortality in certain populations. But there are some advantages to eating smaller fish. For one, because they're typically eaten whole, they're more nutrient dense than larger fish because you're getting extra vitamin A, vitamin D, calcium, because you're eating both the bones and the organs as well. Also, smaller fish are more sustainable than larger fish because they're typically more plentiful and they contain fewer environmental toxins, which is awesome. So what should you do? Well, instead of avoiding small fish entirely because you don't like the taste of them, try to find ways that you actually don't mind eating them. Like for me, I know I do not like canned sardines, but I like buying them fresh or frozen and then baking them with garlic and breadcrumbs and lemon zest and a little bit of olive oil. And I find baking them does help to cut that strong fishy flavor. Another thing that I do is I add jarred anchovies to my tomato sauces. So I chop them up really small. I add them with capers and olives and garlic and hot chili peppers, and it just kind of melts into the sauce. And I promise you, you do not have a fishy tasting sauce at all, but you got some anchovies in there. So just remember, it's true. Almost all fish are good for you, but small fish are even better for you.